how to add music to Instagram story without sticker. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video, because it's simply just very easy to do. Now, in order to add something or like a music to your Instagram story, you gotta click on add to your story. So I'm going to put this on my story, for example, just a random picture of my mouse pad. So all I basically want to do is go to the stickers thing, and over here you have the music button. Over here I can select any song I would like to use. So let's say I want to use this song. Then all I basically can do is I can select any of these options. Now a lot of the times it will start with the lyrics, but you want to go to the second to last option till you get this. So this one is the most easy to do it with. And once you've done that, you want to move this one to the bottom. Now, the bottom is very easy to use because as you can see where it says your story, close friends, and the send button, if I do it like this, those will be gone. And I can move these to that like black screen part where it's like off screen. And now the song will still play when I put this on my story, but it will simply just not be visible on my story. It will only be visible at the top left under your name. So let's say I would put this to my story and wait for this to load. Yeah, as you can see, it says your story and then it says Central C, let go. But the whole like sticker will not be visible in your screen. So that's super easy to do. I hope this quick video helped you out. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.